Hi children, welcome back to our EVS class. So today we are going to see a new chapter in social. Okay, so what is the name of the chapter? Read it out. Yes, the Southern Plateau. Okay, we are going to learn about the Southern Plateau. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so you know our country consists of large plateau located to the south of northern fertile plains. Okay, to the south of northern fertile plain you have a large plateau. That is called your Southern Plateau. So dear children, when I am reading, you also have to read with me line by line. So that will make you this topic easy to learn. Is it clear? So read with me. Whenever I repeat something, please repeat. Okay? So you're all very good children, right? Yes. So now we are going to see what is a plateau. Okay? So a plateau is an area of flat land that is higher than the land around it. That is when you take a floor. Okay? You're keeping a table on the floor. So the table is at a height than the floor, isn't it? So such lands are called your plateau. Okay, I'll repeat it. Repeat with me. A plateau is an area of flat land that is higher than the land around it. Okay, so what is the main occupation of the people there? Either they are agriculture or work in industry. Okay, and your Southern Plateau has a slope from west to east. Okay, so the left hand side is the west and your right is the east. So from west to east it is sloping down. Is it clear? So now shall we see about the location? Okay, so the Southern Plateau has 3 plateau region. How many plateau region, children? 3. Okay, the first one is called Malwa, M-A-L-W-A. Okay. The second one is called Chota Nagpur. What is the second one called? Chota Nagpur. And the third one is called Deccan. D-E-C-C-A-N. Okay. So what are the 3? Malwa, Chota Nagpur and Deccan. So first we shall see about Malwa Plateau. So where is the Malwa Plateau? It is in the northwest part. Malwa Plateau is in the northwest part of Southern Plateau. Okay? And lies between Vindhya and Aravalli Hill. Which are the 2 hills? Vindhya and Aravallis. Okay? Next is your Chota Nagpur. It is to the northeast of the plateau. Which side? Northeast. And which is the hill present there? Raj Mahal. Okay, which is the hill? Raj Mahal. The next one, the last one is Deccan Plateau. It is the southern extension of the plateau. Is it clear? So now next one is your climate. So when you are coming to your climate, the climate is hot, very hot and humid in summer. And it is warm in winter. Okay, very hot and humid in summer, warm in winter. Okay, so 2 type of rain you receive there. First one is southwest monsoon. Okay, so southwest monsoon, during which month you get the rain? June to September. That is when we go to our school after your holidays, isn't it? June, when you start going to your school, you'll have heavy rain. So June to September you get a rain because of southwest monsoon wind. Okay, the second one is northeast monsoon wind. That is during October and November. Okay. Northwest monsoon is during October and November. So which monsoon we get? Yes, in Gudlur we get southwest monsoon. That is during June to September. Okay. Now the physical features. What is it? Physical features. So millions of years ago, this place, okay, your Southern Plateau, volcanoes were present there. Okay, you know what is a volcano? Yes, hot liquid comes out from the inside the mountain, isn't it? So volcanoes erupted in this region. And what happened? It emitted hot liquid. What is that liquid called? Lava. Okay, the hot liquid which comes from volcano is called lava. Okay, so this lava started coming continuously for many years. And what happened? After many years, they turned into a thick layer. Okay, and these layer cooled down and formed a highland. Okay, when it continuously flows, it will form a highland and with a flat top. Okay, the top was very flat. That is called your tableland or plateau. So what is the other name for plateau? Tableland. Okay, plateau is otherwise called tableland. So the southern plateau is in what shape? Triangular in shape. What is the shape of your southern plateau? Triangular. Okay, so it is broad in the north and tapers down towards the south. Okay, it will be broad in the north, and when it is coming down, it will be in this shape. So it is triangle in shape. Okay, so it is a wedge-shaped region. So which are the seas present? Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Okay, they act as a border to the plateau. Which are the three? Arabian Sea, repeat with me children, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Okay, now shall we see what are the rivers? It is a little long, don't worry, we'll make it easy. Okay, so we are going to see about the rivers of the plateau region. Okay, so many rivers are present. First one is river Godavari and its tributary. Okay, so tributaries are smaller rivers which are branching from your main river. Okay, so Godavari and its tributaries drain into which part? Northern part. Okay, second is Krishna. Krishna and tributaries drain the central part. So at the north top you have Godavari and tributary. In the center you have Krishna and tributary. And to the bottom, that is the southernmost part, you have river Kaveri. Okay, so which are the three? Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Okay, now rivers Godavari and Krishna, Mahanadi, Kaveri and its tributaries flow from which side to which? West to east. Okay, so from west to east, if it is flowing, which is the sea present here? Yes, Bay of Bengal. So all these rivers flow into which one? Bay of Bengal. Okay, now river Narmada and Tapti. Okay, which are the two rivers? Narmada and Tapti flow into which sea? Opposite to Bay of Bengal you have Arabian Sea. Okay, and river Damodar drains the Chota Nagpur plateau and joins Hooghly. Okay, so Hooghly is a distributary of river Ganga. Okay, now Chambal, Betwa and Son are the plateau rivers that flow towards north. Okay, and they join Yamuna and Ganga. These rivers flow towards the north top. These rivers, your Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi, Kaveri flow towards the Bay of Bengal below, Narmada and Tapti to Arabian Sea. Okay, now we are going to see about another falls. Did you see the picture here? What is written here? Jog Falls. So many of you have gone to waterfalls. Yes. So we are going to see about Jog Falls. Okay. So Jog Fall is formed by which river? Sharavati. Okay, sorry. Sharavati. Which river? Sharavati river. Okay, it is present in Karnataka. Okay. So this Jog Fall is one of the highest waterfall in India. So there may be a one-word question. Which is one of the highest waterfall in India? Yes, very good. The answer is Jog Falls. Okay. So these waterfalls also form waterfalls, gorges and valleys. Okay. And when you take about the rivers in your southern plateau, most of them are seasonal river. What is seasonal? Yes, which have water only during the rainy season. Okay. So now we are going to see about the hills of the plateau region. So which are the hills present? Okay. So mainly you have two major division. They are called Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Which are the two? Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Okay. So Western Ghats in which place? Western region. Eastern Ghats in east. And in the north you have Satpura Hills. In the north what you have? Satpura Hills. Okay. So the Vindhyas and the Satpura Hills separate the Indo-Gangetic plain. So which are the two hills that separate? Vindhyas and Satpura separate the Indo-Gangetic plains of northern India. Okay. From the plateau region of South India. Okay. So now we shall see about the two main divisions, that is the Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Okay, so first Western Ghat, when we see, it has a parallel chain of hills. Okay, so the continuous hills will be continuously moving. There will not be having any break in between. Okay, so the Western Ghat is a chain of hills running parallel to which one? Arabian Sea. It is a continuous stretch. Okay, so it is having the highest peak of South India. Which is it? Highest peak of South India is Anaimudi. Okay, what is it? Anaimudi, which is present in Kerala. Okay, so Anaimudi of Cardamom Hills in Kerala is the highest peak of South India. Okay, so the Western Ghats is known by different names in different places. This is the area where we live, isn't it? Yes, it is Nilgiris, our Nilgiris. So the Western Ghats is known as Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. In Karnataka, what they call it? Coorg. And in Maharashtra, Sahyadris. Okay, so the Western Ghats is known as Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu, Coorg in Karnataka, and Sahyadris in Maharashtra. Okay, another thing, have you gone to Ooty? Yes. So Dotta Betta, have you heard about Dotta Betta? Yes, it is present in Nilgiris. It is the second highest peak of the region. Okay, which is the second highest peak of the region? Dotta Betta. Which is it? Dotta Betta. Okay, now we are going to see about the Eastern Ghats. Okay, so Western Ghats we told it is running parallel to Arabian Sea. So what will be the Eastern Ghats? Yes, it is running parallel to Bay of Bengal. Okay, and here it is a continuous stretch. Here it is a broken. Okay, and it is low in height. So the highest peak of Eastern Ghat is Mahendragiri. Here which is the highest? Anaimudi, isn't it? Here it is in Eastern Ghats, the highest one is Mahendragiri, which is in Odisha. Okay, so the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats both meet at Nilgiris. Okay, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiris of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Palghat, Talghat and Bolghat are the natural passes of the Western Ghats. Now we shall see which are the states present across your Southern Plateau. Okay, so the Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau spread through which areas? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Jharkhand. Okay, all these are from west to east. So the Deccan Plateau extends to the southern part of which are the states? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Okay, so now coming to the people of the plateau region. This plateau region is thinly populated. That is, only very less population lives there. Okay, so the Malwa and Chota Nagpur Plateau are covered by dense deciduous forest. Okay, so what is the forest present there? Deciduous forest. So mostly tribal people are present. So which are the tribal people present? Bills, Gonds, Warlis and Bastar. Okay, which are the four different types of tribal? Bills, Gonds, Warlis and Bastar. Okay, so they live a very simple life. So what about their dressing style? Men wear dhoti, achkan and turban. Okay, what is it? Men use dhoti, achkan and turban. And women wear saris and blouses or gagras and choli. Okay, so what is the main occupation of the people? Agriculture and mining. What are the two occupations? We saw it in the beginning itself, right? Agriculture and mining. Mining is done there because it is rich in mineral. The plateau region is rich in mineral. So people are also employed in mineral based industries. Is it clear? So you can see the pictures in your textbook. So with this we came to an end of this chapter. Read the chapter thoroughly, children, and write down the difficult words and learn. Thank you. Take care. Be safe and be happy.